7.1 surround sound gaming headset. It is an over-the-ear design headset with noise cancellation microphone. This one is the Space Edition for this model. Space Edition with silver and white color. The box includes the headset itself and the warranty card with a mini booklet. It is a USB type headset with volume buttons and microphone button. The FANTECH logo on its headband. The LED is interchangeable to 7 colors. You can change it using the volume button. Now I'm going to be showing you how it looks like when you wear the headset. It's quite big for me, but yeah, it looks cool, right? This is a sample audio without any background noise. The sound is so clear even you are whispering. So this is a sample audio with background noise, and there's an electric fan beside me. Mic check, sample test. This is a sample recording with background noise, and I'm using a microphone cover. I recommend you get one for your streaming. Thank you.